Havana, you brat.
I have milk in my hand.
Well,
That's her excuse,
could be
Mom.
worse.
That's her excuse.
There.
On the door. What? What are you looking for? My beloved.
Her beloved.
Whoops. Crap, there's a lot of hot chips in here. And? That's the point being, and that's a good thing.
I'm going to put this on Facebook, you know.
I thought I heard that evil little word.
You heard it.
You heard right when I say woo. If you get a bad picture of me and put it on Facebook, I will hunt you down.
Hunt me down, sister. You know where I live.
Yeah, 10 hours away from where I'm going to be.
How many hours?
10.
That's not too bad.
No. Yeah. It gives you enough time to cross the border.
Yes, right. Get down to Key West and hop a boat to Havana, right?
Well, now I know where you'll be hiding. You just spoiled everything. Are you recording us?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you suck. You did not notice that? Well, I thought it was a camera. It is a camera.
I usually record dogs. You are privileged.
Or Darling. I saw that. I saw Darling on the thing.
Yeah, she's on there too.
Did you add me on Facebook, by the way?
I don't know how to get to you.
I sent you a friend request on there.
Why don't you put a friend request in? Make it easy for me.